Should you keep your tooth and do a root canal on it, or take the tooth out and replace it with something else, say an implant, a bridge, something like that, to replace the tooth? The answer is, it depends. It depends on what you're trying to achieve. Nothing is as good as your natural tooth. Anytime us dentists replace a tooth with something that's not your natural tooth, there are differences there. What I would tell you is there's nothing as good as your natural tooth. So saving teeth can keep you as close as possible to your natural teeth.